Oh man, the new Cobalt XTR reciprocating saw. I cannot wait to unbox this thing and see what's in here. Boring. Oh yeah, way better. Wait. I think it's only appropriate to unbox this with the reigning king of reciprocating saws, the one-handed Cobalt Sawzall. I'll just call it Sawzall. It's freaking Sawzall. This guy means business. This is appropriate. Okay. And I tell you what, I don't really care for these blow molded plastic cases that everything comes in, because they take up so much space. But I gotta admit, this one's pretty nice. They're up in their game on some of this stuff now. It's pretty skookum. Sorry, Ave, I can't help it. All right, I gotta do that thing. God. Not too bad. All right. See what we got. Boom. There she is. Oh yeah. This is gonna be, wow. That's nice. That is nice. They've really done a good job on this. Yeah, man, just the first look over, she's pretty tight. Let's see, we'll get you a it's a part number here, the KXRS124B03. Not gonna focus in for you. There it is. All right, and you can see, I mean, this is just what it is. What else comes in the box? This, which I'm wondering if anyone in the world has ever read, and one teeny tiny blade. That's it. But that's fine. Let's see. So here's the Milwaukee. Let's just have a look and see size-wise what are we up against here. We're pretty darn close size-wise to the Milwaukee. Actually may be a little less bulky down here at the business end. We don't have, so this one comes on the Milwaukee on the Sawzall, and I definitely don't see anything like that on here, or provision for one, so to speak. But it does have the adjustable shoe, which is great, just like this does, and lots of your other, big sized Sawzalls. Oh, and I definitely remember, this is one thing I don't like about the Milwaukee. That's just hard to reckon with. I guess the next step would be to give this guy a shot. Now, this one here, you can see we've got the settings here for the orbital action, which it's on, or straight Sawzall. The Milwaukee I have is not the super Sawzall. It doesn't have the orbital action. I'm just gonna fire it up here pretty soon and see what it does. I've got a little test that I do where I cut through an old brake rotor, which prior to getting this here was the fastest to get through my brake rotor, even a shade faster than that. That's why I say that is the reigning king of Sawzalls, especially the one-handed ones. Nothing else even comes close to it. So I'm very curious to see what this guy does, and I think I'll put that in another video. But oh, we gotta turn it on. I gotta hear what it sounds like. I stole my 4.0 ultimate output battery out of my Impact. Well, it makes enough noise. Hopefully that means action. All right, thanks for watching. I'll post up my addendum to my Sawzall saw off as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.